WMF Peak 50, explanation of the display. Open the machine menu by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the display. You can also access various options from the menu. For example, you can set eco mode, the language, and the beverages here. To add a new drink, select an empty slot next to the preset drinks and confirm by clicking the floppy disk icon. Add your desired drink and save. Use the menu button to return to the drink menu. There you will now find the drink you added. You can adjust the coffee strength using the 3 bean icons. This allows you to increase or decrease the strength by 15% at a time. You can adjust the fill level to match the size of your cup. To do this, open the operating options in the menu and select Adjustment Cup Size under Operating Elements. In the beverage selection, the fill amount can now be adjusted using the slider. Here, the amount can be adjusted by up to plus or minus 50%. If you want to make a drink using pre-ground coffee, first open the manual insert lid. Then add up to 15 grams of ground coffee and close the flap again. Then select your desired drink from the display, in this case, an Americano. After a short while, the machine automatically switches back to fresh grinding and is fully operational again.